Alright guys, the court have decided about those states. Okpebholo won. He got the victory. At the moment, Okpebholo was thrown out. So I don't know if they want to appeal, but Okpebholo thrown out, as you can see right there on the screen. So I thought I should bring this to you guys. But I'd like you to listen to Edo Light. You know, one of the front runners in Edo State. He's also a PDP member. So we have this to say. Let's listen to him.
For them to redeem their name. I also know, and I'm aware even before now, that the powers that are willing to fight against the truth are so numerous. Those celebrating victory today, challenge them to display their unit results in their various polling units. They have nothing to show. In the election day, I won my unit, I also delivered my word. When we started seeing results, it was contrary from what we got at the various polling units and centers in the state. In a legal process where INEC begged the court to give them opportunity, claiming that those who are supposed to come to defend the results that are coming from Edo, their vehicle got spoiled and that they needed to seek another day for adjournment so as to ensure that these persons get to the tribunal venue. And at the end of the day, this same group of persons did not show up and they immediately closed their case. It is also stated, and there are precedents, where even in the Electoral Act, when you provide a verifiable evidence, you do not need to bring in oral evidence to defend them. And there are legal precedents in respect to this. For me, if you ask me, I will advise Dr. Aswe Ighodalo not to appeal this case. I will advise him not to appeal this case. Because those powers will never allow him. What we saw and what we noticed today is purely miscarriage of justice. It is visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. It will amount to spending much money, which will end in an exercise in futility. Believe you me, in the past, we also believe that the judiciary is the hope or the last hope of the common man. With this, and with many more we've seen in the past, let's just try as much as possible to maintain decorum and to be part and parcel of those who happens to be the power that be. That's the only way you can get justice. But for the fact that you want truth to prevail, it takes time. There are precedents to this effect. In 1993, MKO Abiola won an elections. In 1993, the election was annulled, and I could still recall some more money I did get now, so transport the killer. Some more water we did drink now, so dirty the full no work, no school, no road. You remember the song? Truth need no supporters club to grow or to flourish. But just recently, the then military president Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida agreed openly that Abiola won the June 12 1993 elections. In a Senate claim, what do you expect when such revelation is out? Was there any action to counter the abuse of office by the then military president? Nothing. This same truth will prevail in the future. For the fact that we know and we will agree that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. For me, I will advise Dr. Aswe Igodalu and Barrister Saldogi, who happens to be my leader and that has fought a very good fight. I will not advise you to appeal this case. This is from my own intellectual knowledge. I will not advise you to appeal this case. I will not join others to say or to use wrong word or foul language against others. The powers against the truth are so numerous. I was told in the past, come on man, they don't go, you know guy you go be. We know so now win, but they don't give you now. I say yes, but it will be an opportunity for them to actually prove to many that the time has come for truth to prevail. Now that it has happened, I advise, please, if our party choose to go for appeal, I will support and I will continue, but I know nothing good will ever come out. The Northerners, as we speak, are already against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Tinubu will do everything humanly possible to make sure that all the South cave in to his control. But one thing is sure, they will still lose Edo. It's sure. But regardless of whatever transpired, I have a way of playing my politics. Let us all swim in the opulence of illegality. That is what Nigeria is all about. Some persons are celebrating now because the injustice favored them. It's fine. It's normal. It is a game. Always learn to speak the truth. And the truth shall set us all free. I remain my humble self, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi. You will not and you cannot say that I'm not a fighter. I am. Since I started playing politics, I have never lost my unit. I have never lost my unit. I challenge those who got the judgment today, both from INEC and from the judiciary. Paste your result, your unit result, where you voted. They all lost. The whole of them, they lost. But they can't tell you the truth. For me, make the carry. If they want to turn out to one party system, make them continue. The powers, we no one made this truth come out. many pass me and you. From both ethnicity, tribalism, traditionalism, everything is all encompassing. Everything is all encompassing. I know how to live my life. I don't already see him. Who be this one? Anton. Anton. My brother, I'm a dead hustler. I be hustler. You can't change that. But you see, we have built a name for ourselves. Now this state we dey. But I advise PDP, Mona not bother, more you leave them, may they carry go, may they not, because they know the manipulation will continue to the end. They'll make it day easier for us to feel say yes, we will get them. Just to make some persons broke. At the end of the day, they will see execute their inner plan. For me, I have no faith in the Nigerian judiciary. Just forget it. Even goats and fowl no say na manipulated judgment. It's my right to speak the truth at all time. People will not win elections. They celebrate. Those who win election when their mandate clear, they not give them. It is sweet. Ukonoswo. What you have been here? Oh my God, it is sweet. Enjoy. Not cry against injustice when it changes. I will continue to celebrate late President Umar Musa Yar'Adua of blessed memory. I will celebrate Yar'Adua of blessed memory. Senator Adams Aliyu Oshomole passes through this injustice, but they gave him his victory. Those who benefited from a clean judiciary under the tutelage of the PDP are today fighting against the truth. If you want to know the true character of a man, give him power. I am Osakwe Nokwodi. We are all Edolites. The power is in the hands of the Esan people. Ensure development and continue. But we know, even if you are celebrating, you didn't win. But it is no longer a democratic principle, but rather, who is your father? It is no longer a democratic principle, but rather, who is your father? May God bless you all. May God bless Edo State. May God bless our people. Asosahwenokwodi, I won't deceive you. I am heartbroken. I will stay awake I'll stand firm and also get ready to grow mighty. If you can stay, we self will stay. Thank you and bye for now. Happy manipulation. Bye for now.
Now, so we see I'm very pathetic. I don't have much to say on this, but we're going to deliberate more on it on the live broadcast. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's talk about the things that's affecting us on NAIJA Media. Thank you guys. We've tried our best. We've done our best. Okpebholo is the governor of Edo State as I know today. Take care guys and bye for now.